Welcome to our next installment of video courses designed to prepare you for the Network Plus certification exam. This course is going to cover cables, connectors, and standards. This is the 2012 IEEE for Ethernet, which would be the most recent one. All this information is in a PDF form. I have to plug in an email address to get any further than that. We need to understand the concept of collisions. It is one of those behind-the-scene things that makes other things make more sense. Troubleshooting, performance, monitoring, etc.
Before moving on to the next chapter, let's take a break for a knowledge check. Which of the following is not a standard organization? A. ISO, B. IEEE, C. CPU.
The TIA-EIA 568A standard defines wiring patterns and colors for twisted pair connections typically used in residential situations, while version B is used for commercial applications. If wired incorrectly, that communication problems will occur. Here are some graphics that are obviously some sort of illustration of fiber optics. It is a look at a number of different actual fiber optic connectors that are plugged into a server. I hope you found this information helpful to you in your journey towards the Network Plus certification exam.